Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Cash App full guide. Start by downloading Cash App from your device store and opening it. Enter your email or phone number and follow the verification code steps. Choose a unique $cash tag and set basic security like a PIN or fingerprint. Keep your app updated and review permissions to protect your account and transactions. In this video, I will explain how to set up Cash App full guide. After installing, tap to create an account and provide your email or phone. Enter the verification code sent to you and pick a memorable $cash tag. Create a secure PIN and enable fingerprint or face ID if available. Write down recovery details and store them safely to regain access if needed. If this video is helpful, please subscribe and like to support more useful guides. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for comfy, durable feet during long setup sessions. I toss them into my routine whenever I'm troubleshooting tech or running errands. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to set up Cash App full guide. Tap the Balance or Banking tab and link your debit card or bank account using routing and account numbers. Verify micro deposits or instant verification to confirm ownership and unlock higher limits. Consider enabling direct deposit for paychecks and review fee details for instant transfers versus standard deposits before using advanced features.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.